Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about the specification pattern in .NET Core. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. So what is the specification pattern? The specification pattern is a behavioral design pattern that is used to define a set of criteria or conditions that an object must satisfy. It provides a way to separate the business logic that defines these conditions from the code that uses them. This separation of concerns makes the code more modular and easier to maintain. In essence, a specification is an object that can answer the question, does this object meet a certain set of criteria? By encapsulating these criteria in a specification, you can make your own code more flexible and adaptable to changes in your business rules. Alright, implementing the specification pattern in .NET Core, let's dive into how we can implement the specification pattern in .NET Core. We will break it down into two steps. Define the specification interface. The first step is to define an interface that represents the specification. This interface typically includes a single method, is satisfied by, which takes an object and returns a Boolean value indicating whether the object meets the specified criteria. So here's an example. Next, you will create concrete class that implement the iSpecification interface. These classes will encapsulate specific business rules or conditions. So here's an example. One of the strengths of the specification pattern is the ability to combine multiple specifications using logical operators and or not. You can create composite specifications to represent complex conditions. So here's an example. Now that you have defined your specification, you can use them to filter and query objects in your application. So here's an example of how you might use specification to filter a list of customers. So here's the implementation of specific pattern from microservices. So first we will create a controller mediator pattern. First will come in picture. We'll invoke the get all products query method like shown here, which will be handled by its handler like this. So here's the example. So this code is taking the specification which is getting addressed by repository layer beneath like here. So you can see that. Therefore, basic idea is to delegate the complex and generic query to specification pattern. This keeps the code more maintainable and testable. So you can see the whole get all products handler CS class. So thank you for watching this video. The specification pattern is a potential tool in .NET Core Developers Toolkit for tackling complex business rules and conditions. By encapsulating these rules within reusable specification objects, you can craft cleaner and more maintainable and highly flexible code. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.